All right, so this is part 2 of section 6.1. Let's do some more examples. X cubed minus 16x over x squared minus 2x minus 8. So as you can see, there's going to be a lot of factoring involved. So notice that the top part here, I've got a common x. So that would be x times x squared minus 16 over, and notice this bottom part, I'd need what adds to give me negative 8, or shoot. What multiplies to give me negative 8 but adds to give me negative 2, that'd be negative 4 and positive 2. And notice that I can further factor the numerator. So this would be x times x plus 4 times x minus 4 over, now this bottom part stays the same. And notice that you've got the common x minus 4. So this would be x times x plus 4 over x plus 2. I'm not going to make you redistribute that. That would be a perfectly good answer. All right. Let's keep going. 2x squared minus 9x plus 4 over, let's see, 12 plus x minus x squared. Now, notice that this bottom part is all kinds of backwards and everything. I could rewrite this as negative x squared plus x plus 12. And I'll factor that in a minute. So this top part, it might be helpful if I use the little factoring box. So I got my 2x squared, my 4 goes there, minus 9x goes there. Multiplying across the bottom, that's 8x squared. What multiplies to give me 8 adds to give me negative 9, that'd be negative 8 and negative 1. The greatest common factor between negative 8x and 2x squared is 2x. 2x times x is 2x squared. That'll be a negative 4, and that'll be a negative 1. So observe that I've got 2x minus 1 and x minus 4 in the numerator. 2x minus 1, x minus 4. Now in the denominator, here's where I got to be a little bit careful. So I've got that negative to deal with. So, whoops, usually helps if you draw the correct number of lines. So I've got negative x squared, x, and 12. So that makes negative 12x squared. So this would be 4x and negative 3x. Now notice this would be x and negative x. This would be 4 and 3. So here I would have negative x plus 4 and x plus 3. Now, do you notice that this guy right here and this guy right here are the exact opposite? One has a positive x and a negative 4, one has a negative x and a positive 4. When that happens, you can technically cancel those, but you're left with a negative 1. So when I cancel these, I have a negative 1 to deal with because they're opposites. It's kind of like how 2 divided by negative 2 is negative 1. So I just have to keep track of that negative 1 there. So what happens here is I have negative 2x minus 1 over x plus 3. All right. Got just a couple more. 2x squared plus 2xy minus 4y squared over 5x cubed minus 5x y squared. Factoring is the key. So first, I'm going to pull a common factor from each one of these. So, in the numerator, I can take out a 2. That'll be x squared plus xy minus 2y squared. In the denominator, I can take out a 5x. And then that'll be x squared minus y squared. So, when I factor the numerator, and of course you could use a box on this, I got an x and an x. And so, what multiplies to give me negative 2 but adds to give me 1 would be plus 2 and negative 1. But since I've got the y's, this would be x plus 2y and x minus y. I've also got 5x, and then x squared minus y squared is x plus y and x minus y. The x minus y's cancel. Nothing else does, and so my answer is 2 times x plus 2y over 5x times x plus y. And that's basically all there is to it. Here's the assignment that goes with this section. Page 375. On page 375, I need 8 through 16 even, 48 through 60 even, and 68. See you next time.